So everybody right now, think about, by the way, your brain is not going to want you to do this. I'm telling you, watch how your brain goes, I'm good, let me get on my phone. It doesn't, because it wants to be right about the expectation you have for that person that is not in your life anymore, that you miss and you wish you still get to hang out with them. But because you were too busy being right about, not you, your brain's busy being right about something as opposed to just being open to win-win, it won't let you. So right now, everybody, check in with your heart. Ask yourself real quick, I wonder what my next thought will be. Ready, set, go. And then when it goes blank, ask your heart, would it benefit me to try this? And then let's try it, okay? And if you can stay in your heart, stay around this warm, loving area, awesome. Think about one person in your life you have an expectation for, okay? In your brain, say their first name, the word should, and the expectation you have for them, and feel it. Ready, set, go. Notice how you feel. Do you like the way you feel? Do you want this feeling to stay? Now take the same sentence, take out the word should, and put the word could in there. And say it again to yourself. And if you notice a different response, if you notice a different emotion, if you notice a lightness, if you notice that it feels better, then just consider, instead of saying should, and shoulding all over each other, should, S-H-O-U-L-D, just to be clear, consider being nice to yourself. What do I mean by being nice? And nice. Notice whenever you feel any way you don't want to feel. If a child goes to you and goes, I don't love you, and you're a teacher that doesn't have trauma around love, you go, well, it's okay. You're allowed to be any way that you want. If you don't love me, then you can love me tomorrow. What area do you want to go play? And the kid's going to walk off and his brain is going to go, oh, I'm going to tell my third grade brother that didn't work. But then if there's another teacher that at 3 years young, mommy and daddy were in an argument and mom goes, that's it, I'm leaving. And she walks out the door just to maybe cool down, to have a smoke, to go for a drive. Doesn't matter, because your 3-year young brain went, mommy's leaving, she left me, she doesn't love me, I'm not lovable. And your brain goes, ooh, here we go, let's make some trauma. And it takes a screenshot or a Polaroid of what happened. Mommy comes in 2 minutes later. I'm sorry, I was upset, blah, blah, blah. Too late. Brain already took it, filed it all the way in the back. Now it's 25 years from now, you can't stay in a relationship. Because every single time somebody shows you love, your brain goes, remember when you were 3? And then you break up with them before they break up with you. If this is triggering to you, good. It might have you take action to reach out to me so that you can have a loving, magical, amazing. I love this woman over here. I am so in love with this. And it took me about 20 years of working on myself and releasing trauma and meeting my inner child and getting my inner bully and my inner child to connect with each other so that I can be in an open space to allow love into my life, and then she appeared.